Hey everyone, welcome back to my bowling alley. Today is day 3 of bowling, and today we're going to work on the 3-step approach. We're still going to focus on opposite foot and follow through. So let's get started. So remember, with the grip, we talked about the 2 middle fingers and your thumb pointed up. Day 1, we talked about 1-step approach. Day 2, we talked about 2-step approach, right, left bowl if you're right-handed. If you're left-handed, left, right, opposite foot follow through. And a 3-step approach today, if you're right-handed, you're going to go left, right, left, and then bowl. If you're left-handed, left, right, right, left, right, and bowl. Remember, with your upper body, arm swing. Okay, let's try it. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to go left, right, left, left, right, left, and bowl. Drop the toilet paper, left, right, left, and bowl. And with my sock, left, right, left, and bowl. Working on opposite foot and follow through. If you want, you can send me your videos and pictures and show me your 3-step approach. Have a great day. Bye.